Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to see the most used app on Android. So let's get into it. First of all, navigate to the settings on your phone and tap on the icon to open it. Once the settings menu opens up on the screen, scroll down to find the battery settings and tap to open it. Here you can see the remaining battery time and estimated usage time left based on your current usage patterns. If you scroll down further, you will find the app activity section. This section shows a detailed breakdown of your battery is being used by the different apps and services on your device. You can see all the apps listed by the battery usage. This means the first app in this list is the most used, followed by the second, and so on. The percentage next to each app indicates how much battery each app has consumed. And that's it. This is how simple it is to see the most used app on Android. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, please subscribe our YouTube channel and thank you for watching.